My name is Annette Ross. I'm from Richmond, Virginia. And the Burn Vision Beach Retreat is the best thing that I have done in allowing me to be free of stress, recognizing what I need to do next, and just keep my life going in the direction that God wants me to go. I'm not going to benefit from this solely by myself. There are people who are around me that are going to see a different me. And I'm excited about that opportunity to be that person that God wants me to be for those people in my life. I've known Rita for over 8 years, and just having her as a coach has been a huge help in helping me get to where I am. I'm more productive, I'm more confident, and I will forever be indebted to her because she has changed me into the woman and helped me become the woman that God wants me to be.